Hello everybody. Welcome to another nice mindful nature walk. Here I am in the forest of the Pacific Northwest of North America, just enjoying the beautiful early morning here, listening to the sights and sounds. There's some ravens cawing there, and sun is shining through the trees along the nice soft path here that I'm walking on, and you can see the sun in the east there kind of setting coming across the sky, and I'm just in here walking around enjoying the nice green leaves on the trees and seeing the sunshine come through. It's beautiful, and just being grateful for this lovely nature that we have and making the most of it and enjoying it. Seeing the different types of trees that are out here, different fungi as well, ferns, lots of green. It's beautiful out here today. Nice July morning. The air quality is really good. Feels nice just to take deep inhales. Some of these trees you can see are quite tall. Coming up to a bit of a clearing here. You can see they've been doing some work here. Got some nice bird sounds going on. So yeah, we're just enjoying a lovely nature walk here, just trying to take it all in. Lots of different types of plants and stuff, trees. Haven't seen any animals yet. No birds. Sometimes there's a woodpecker working in this area. Seen him the last few days. Not today though, but look at that beautiful sunshine coming through the trees there. Really making it nice and shiny and bright in here off the leaves of the trees, which again you can see are quite tall. Some of them definitely well over 100 feet tall. Big trees. And we're coming up over here. I can hear the sound of a creek, which is a nice, soothing water sound. Always great to walk by water on nature walks. So there it is down there. Just a nice, peaceful water running sound. And yeah, it's beautiful. I'm gonna take a photo there. All right. Maybe one more. Continue along our path. Just taking our time, really just appreciating all the lovely nature here, what it has to offer, and just the peace, quiet harmony, everything out here. So yeah, take care. Remember to practice love, kindness, and compassion. Have a great day.